Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today we will be unboxing Inalsa hand blender set, which is of 1000 watts. So here's the box. It comes in this cardboard packaging. So we will be quickly breaking the seal and opening the box, and let's see what's inside. Here is the box, the actual box, the packing in which it comes. So basically this is this Inalsa hand blender. It comes with a multi-purpose jar, and it comes with this whisker in a blender. So here are all the user manuals and stuff, you can see, and I'll be taking out all these products one by one. I'll place all these items here, and then we'll be doing the unboxing of basically unpacking of all these items. So the first thing I have is this hand blender. So this hand blender is perfectly suited for preparing sauces, purees, soups, mayonnaise, chutneys, baby food, or mixing drinks or these milkshakes. So it has this 2-pin plug charger. Also this has this 2 speed control options buttons, and then there is this maximum and minimum settings you can set it on. Also it has this hole. It is where you have to fix the attachments. You have to attach them from this side. So here comes this blender. So this blender, it has this steel finish, and it has these nice little 4 blades. So it will help you to mash potatoes or chop other vegetables or whatever you want. So here comes the chopper. So this chopper is perfectly suited for chopping meat, cheese, onion, herbs, garlic, carrot, walnut, whatever you want. So before chopping, you have to make sure you have to cut these whatever ingredient you're using into small pieces, and after that you can add them to this chopper. So the next is this multi-purpose jar. It is a semi-plastic jar. It has this glass look. So it has this whisker. The quality is not that great of this whisker because it has these thin wires, but I think this will do the purpose. So you have to attach it from here, and here we have this multi-purpose jar, and this is the handle attachment for the whisker. So here's the multi-purpose jar. It has all these measurements on it, carved on it, so you can use these measurements also. So you can whisk things in it, or you can store things as well, whatever you want. So here is this handle. It's basically you have to attach it to the whisker. You have to attach the whisker to it, and then you'll attach it to the main blending handle. So here you have make sure you fix it properly, because otherwise it will come out easily. So here we're done with this. So finally let's talk about all the products. So it has these 4 products which comes in the box. So the first one is this blending handset. So this has this inbuilt high quality motor. We have this whisker. Also we have this efficient chopper, and we have this multi-purpose 500 milliliter jar. We have this LED settings, and we have this sharp and versatile blender blades. Also make sure you follow all these warnings. So here's the final look. I hope you like this video. Let us know if you want us to do more unboxing videos. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.